I like Miss Evans and Miss Gamble and the staff because they are kind and helpful. I like them because they will always listen to you.
It has been wonderful to come back to school. Everyone is so supportive and welcoming. It's such a happy and fun environment.
They have helped us read and write and do numbers each day, and they always listen to when we ask them questions. Miss Evans and Miss Gamble have helped me learn the alphabet and do numbers, and they help us when we're stuck in situations.
Miss Evans has supported my daughter wonderfully this school year. My daughter's made a lot of progress. She loves school. I never have any trouble getting her in the mornings. She's made good progress with her reading, with her number work, and she loves all the art and the singing, everything else that they do in class. She has a wonderful time.
Diolch and bow to our staff. Learning is fun.